Go away. No. Go away. Go. Shoo. Hey, you gotta get a cat. Cats are the best. Go away. There's actually not a lot to this, so if this video is short, sorry, there's just not a whole lot to cover about it. But I do want you to keep in mind $15. Just $15. So don't get your hopes up too high about how awesome it really may or may not be until we talk about it. $15. So for $15 you get 2 heat sinks, if nothing else, made out of pretty high quality feeling material. I mean, they feel nice. It feels like good quality, nice heat sinks. The added benefit is you have a diffuser for RGB lighting on it. So you simply just take your boring stick of RAM or take the heat sink off your old RAM that's not as cool and pretty in RGB as everything else and throw these bad boys on there. And it's pretty simple how to do it. Now, it can look a little complicated at first, but it actually is really simple to set these up. They have 2 screws in them, just right here. You just unscrew these screws, open it up, follow the instructions depending on what your RAM is. Of course, remove the old heatsink if you have an old heatsink on one because you need the exposed stick of RAM. You may also just have purchased some sticks of RAM that don't have anything fancy with them. Now, depending on what the RAM is too, the instructions will cover 2 different ways to do it. There is thermal tape on there that needs to go on both sides of the piece of metal when you open it up. But if your RAM only has modules on one side, then you need to use the faux pad thing. There's a name for it, I don't remember what it is. The faux pad thing on the other side to make sure that it's got enough girth to it. There's that word again. To make sure that there's enough girth to it. So awkward always saying girth, but I can't think of something better right now. Then you just screw it back together once you have it lined up in there. Now, how does it connect? How does the RGB work? The RGB is a little bit lackluster, but again, $15 for 2 of them. We have 3 pins, much like non-PWM fans, old 3-pin connectors. You can either connect it to the end of the power supply if you have one of those plugged in, usually at the end of a SATA. There'll be a 3-pin hook or a 4-pin hook, and you'll just slide it in appropriate, or you can actually go right to the motherboard as well. The good thing is you can also chain them off, so they all have a split, or you can just chain to the next one, and you should try to be careful like I did in this video and make sure that you're putting the slot in there in the most appropriate way as possible because you want these to go up and over the back. If you need help doing that, hold the RAM up to the DIMM slot and just see where the notch is and then figure out from there that you want the cable to go up and that's how you want to put it together, so you're not trying to route cables down, losing a little bit of distance and going over that way. And of course you can chain together as many as 8, probably more than that, but anybody that's got 8 slots they want to put this stuff on is probably going to go with more expensive RGB RAM that has user interface control. So again, let's get back to that. There is not a way to sync this up with Aura Sync, MSI Mystic, Gigabyte Fusion. That's not going to happen with these. They actually come with one static preset cycle breathe mode, and we're going to talk a little bit about that as well. There's also no way to disable it unless you just decide not to plug it in. But again, for $15, they're really nice heat sinks, and they come with some pretty quality material in order to put them together. That's something that I like a lot and I'm highly appreciative of from a company I've never heard of. So with the cycle breathing mode that it comes with, they do start up on the same colors and go through the same colors together. Unfortunately, some of the LEDs inside appear off sync, and I don't know if this was intended to kind of be like G-Skill's wavy effect, the stock wavy effect, if you know what I mean, where it looks like a waterfall of colors, but it's sort of a miss because the DIMMs do not line up with each other. You'll have a blue with random green or red or yellow in there, while the other one's got a blue with different yellows, red, and greens, but in different spots as it kind of fades through. It's inconsistent and a little bit meh. Not terrible and not super noticeable. If that's something that's going to bother you, then just remember, $15. I would like to see if there's other companies out there, because I noticed once I found these, other stuff on Amazon started popping up too from different companies, and they may be just similar, same things with different designs. They may be different OEMs. I don't really know, but after trying these out and being fairly impressed with what you get for $15, I think that I'd like to kind of look at doing some other ones and seeing if there are some out there that have like the 4-pin RGB connection so that you can plug it into the motherboard or connect it with your existing lighting system and maybe be able to sync it with things like Fusion or Mystic Lighting. That would be pretty cool, and hopefully somebody out there's got that. Even if it's like 18 or 20 bucks, I'd be willing to check that out. It's a good way to kind of bring life back to your old RAM or to kind of give it that new stylized look. With Computex 2018, everybody, it seemed like, that made RAM now makes RGB RAM. So if you're somebody that can't afford that $200 price tag on a lot of those, hey, this might be a good option for you. A nice way to get a little bit of flair going on into the tower. It's cheap and it's pretty easy to do. And by pretty easy, it's really easy to do. It's just a matter of getting a screwdriver, reading the instructions depending on what RAM module you have, and putting it together. Anyways, guys, I tried to get some good shots of it. If I didn't show enough here, I'll just put some here at the end. And you guys have a great day, night, whatever it is. I'll see you in the next video that I do. Anyways, guys, if I didn't show enough clips of it, we'll end here. I tried to get some good blah, 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 blah.